Good morning, traders. Eid Mubarak to everybody and happy Akshay Tritiya. On this auspicious day of Akshay Tritiya, let's do analysis for two precious metals. One is silver and another one is gold. And these two precious metals are highly traded in the market. So let's get on with it. That what is the story? As of now, what we see is that this is the monthly chart for silver. And the way we see over here that here is a good, that it is in a good consolidation phase on the monthly. Your immediate resistance is 72,763 and your good support is 59,884. However, we see that in this one trading session of the month, which just started yesterday, there was a very nice candle which has been formed, which is open and the high is the same. And it had already tried to cross this support of this, trying to go down, but it could not sustain. Let's see on the weekly chart that what is the story. So we are having a support and resistance over here. On the weekly, we are having our resistance at we are having a resistance at somewhere around 67,645. And as we see that last week also we had a very good fall. And here also we are trying to go down. But this support of the weekly is trying to stop. Now, anytime if you see anything, a candle which is okay, we will discuss this on the daily basis, but let's talk on the weekly basis. That if this candle crosses the low of this candle, which is 62,105, you can nicely go short till up to the target of this 59,603. And if this thing breaks, then you, as I told you, that here also there is a resistance, a very small resistance. From here, if this cross 65,107, you can nicely go to 67,525 on the long side. And if this breaks, then this will be your, again, your target 72,529. Let's go to the daily. Correct. On daily, it has started, the day started on 29th April from a very nice resistance. We have a resistance here, and here is the resistance. Let me mark as this as green. And what we see is that here was a little or very small dragonfly doji after a green, which continued the rally which was coming from here. If this thing breaks, as I said in the weekly chart also, the low of this thing breaks means 61,190, 61,985, then you can expect this thing that it can come down to up to 60,035, which is nearly about 2,000 points down. And if the high of this is broken. The high of this candle is broken. You can go up to 62, 65 to 83, which is again 2000 points from the high of this. So let's see that how it does it goes. But your real longs, if you want to really carry for say as swing trade, or you want to carry for like a shorter duration of 3 months, 4 months, you can only short only below 59, 59 586 now, as what the scenario is now. And if you, and you can go long only after 72 399 if you want to really hold. So we will be doing this analysis again and again, and let's see that how this thing will work. For me, it is a downtrend only, but this, let's see, the low of this thing, the of this candle is to be broken because it has taken an very nice support of this candle only at same place as you can see over here. So let's see how does it goes. So this is was the analysis for silver. Now let's do gold. First, let's start with the monthly. Oh, monthly is not consolidating, but it has made a U shape and which is falling from its resistance. Which is falling from its resistance. The same thing is there. The high and low is the same. It again it tried to break. Here in gold, okay, let's see this in the weekly chart of gold. That what is the story? Okay, same story as here. Gold didn't even try to go to the low, and it has not even recovered as silver did yesterday. This is just one candle of first day, means for falling, gold is strong, that this may go down very nicely and in a very abrupt way, in a very abrupt way. And let's see, on the weekly we see a support over here, which is nearly around 49,599. 49,599. And if we fall under this, below this candle, mainly this 50,411, then also you can get 1,000 point to come down till here. Let's do things on the daily. On the daily also we see the same story, but what we see is that here on this area, say about from this area to, we are seeing reversal. We are sorry, we are seeing reversal for the third time. This, I know this is not a reversal, but on the daily this thing should sustain, it should come down. So very much be careful, but I think so that here also it made a same type of a candle here also, the buy, but the buyers are not letting gold go below this over here. So be very much careful. And if you see any time that as we see in the history over here, as the high of this is broken, it is going up to this. If the high of this candle is broken, if this is going up to here, means round and round. If you see, your target can be 53,804. And if here also, if we see tomorrow or in coming days that the candle is not ready to go down, and as well the candle is going up, and if take and if the price takes supports over here between 51,317 and 51,355 around. So, like on the bigger side, you will say that if you see a green candle which is above 51,000, say 400 over here, then you can go long, expecting that it may go up to here, because a nice M pattern is formed, and the target of the M pattern is also done. This is the neckline of the M pattern, and if this thing breaks, then you can see your immediate support, which is coming at 49,616 in coming days. So be really very much careful, as all the markets are consolidating. Even if we see Nifty and Bank Nifty, no matter they are giving intraday big moves, but they all are consolidating. No one is giving on a breakout. And as we have seen that in last 2 years, the all the prices of all the equities, indices, commodities, everything, they have come like a spring. Means it's like in the euphoria, when you try to just press a spring, and when you open it, opens very abruptly. That is what has happened in the stock market. And now that this might be a time correction, few stocks are coming down, few stocks have come down to pre-COVID level, and some stocks have even gone to the COVID level, the downfall of the COVID level. Some are really just consolidating on their high. So be very much careful according to the chart pattern what you see. And if you want to really learn that how the chart patterns work, you can drop it in a mail, which is there in the description. I will be back. I will try and to contact you or through your mails. Then we can go further from there. So that is what I have now for these two precious stones. Sorry, precious metals. Happy Akshay Tritiya once again, and happy Eid Mubarak. Thank you.